So I don't actually have an official video for you today. My video editor is out, so it's all up to me. We're catching up on a lot of great videos. We've got so much coming, everything from personal finance classes to different courses and video topics that we can include in our YouTube videos for all that. But look, the stock market is down first day in the month of April here. It's a brutal start to the beginning of the month, but I don't want you to focus on that, right? If you have more than 10 years left to retire, then big deal. So the markets are down. This is a discount. All of our clients we have investing on a weekly basis, smaller amounts on a weekly basis, because nobody will tell you that that's what makes the most sense. See, if you're buying every week, then when the market's down this week, you've got 10 plus years left to retire, so you're buying at a discount. That's not really what I wanted to talk about today. My focus for you today, and I want you to really pay close attention to this. You ready? April is the biggest month for companies to raise their prices. You're going to see throughout the month different things that you do business with. Maybe it's a gym membership, maybe it's a credit card interest rate, it could be your cable bill, auto insurance, you name it. This is the month that they choose to increase their prices. So I want you to pay close attention to this. The reason why they choose April is because nobody's paying attention. You've got January, everybody's excited about saving money, going to the gym, quitting, smoking or whatever. They're focused on their bank accounts after the Christmas holiday. In the summertime, everybody's looking forward to the summertime, vacations, things like that. And so you're looking at your bank account to see what you can spend at Disney World. Well, in April, nobody cares. Nobody's paying attention to their bank accounts. Nobody's paying attention to what they pay for anything. And so it's been determined that April is the best month to raise prices on consumers. Now, I'm not saying that you shouldn't pay a fair price for your cable bill or whatever it is that you're subscribed to that you pay money for, but just know that when you see those prices increase, it's a time for you to evaluate. Look at that service that you're paying for and see if it makes sense to shop around a little bit. If it's car insurance, we did a video on this in the past, you know that you need to shop around for your car insurance because they keep track of this. If you do not shop around for your car insurance, they will raise your rates. If you are someone who actively searches for quotes, they won't raise your rates because they're scared that you're going to jump over to another place. So watch your cell phone bill, watch your cable bill, watch all the bills that you have. If the price goes up and you're okay with that, then of course stick with the service. If you're happy, that's fine. But just know that they are going to use April as that moment in time to do that. This is the most common month that you see people raise rates on consumers. Again, it's because you're not paying attention. So I hope this helps. Pay attention. Take a close look at your bills. You will get a notification of some kind to let you know of a price increase, but pay close attention, okay? If you're using NestEgg, this is the time to adjust your budget. If you go into NestEgg and you say, I'm going to keep this service, I like the service, then go ahead, update the budget for whatever you have budgeted towards that service. But if you notice that your NestEgg is going off and you're getting emails that you've gone over your budget, it may be that they've chosen April to raise their prices on you. Again, not a bad thing, just something to check out. I hope you will consider us here at Jazz Wealth. Be sure to hit the subscribe button if you would. All the normal stuff that I say in the videos, just not fancily edited today. So hope you enjoy. Thanks for being patient. We'll be back on Tuesday, of course, tomorrow with all the normal videos and then some going forward. So excited about what we're doing going forward. I'm going to make sure that if you want to learn about personal finance, that we put every last detail into personal finances so you know exactly what to do with your dough. But if you're looking for someone to help you with your retirement, then of course choose us here at Jazz Wealth. We work with the beginner. When nobody else wants to talk to you, we will work with you to make sure you get your finances straight now so that you can get where you want to in the future. Thanks for watching.